BJP Rajya Sabha MP Brijlal said Parliament on Thursday that the Civil Services Aptitude Test (CSAT), one of the two preliminary papers for the civil services examination, was the biggest barrier to diversity and should be abolished or rationalized. Brijlal started that the papers has huge representation and up to 65% of the successful candidates are engineers, while humanities and other art graduates struggle with CSAT, technicals, mathematics, heavy and comprehensive based questions. The comments are part of larger debate that began when CSAT was introduced. What are the criticism? There are 2 hour exam cover language, comprehensive language reasoning, analytical ability, basic numeracy and data interpretation at the class 10th level. Each of 80 questions carry 2.5 marks and every wrong answer deducted one third, 0.83 marks. Opponent of the CSAT say that over the years, its difficulty level has risen, even through the CSE mainly concerned subjects such as polity, history, and social science. Additionally, the CSAT can be attempted in Hindi or English, possibly posing a disadvantage to candidates from rural or marginalized backgrounds. Even Hindi speakers have criticized its technical nature and the quality of the translations and cited a lack of study materials in the language. Does the data support these claims? Jitendra said the Minister of State in the Department of Personnel and Training responded to the questions in Parliament in 2023 about the candidate clearing the exams. In 2017, 18, 19, 20, and 21, a total of 715, 528, 595, 566, and 497 candidates selected in the CSE, study science, medical science, and engineering at the graduation level. In the humanities subject, the figure were 106, 81, 71, 84, and 88 respectively. The data also show that several graduates from the science later take humanities subject in the mains examination, which has optional paper. In 2011, a total 800 candidates were selected from the English mediums and 89 from Hindi. The Indian Express newspaper found in its 2019 analysis that the 270 new civil services recruit of CSE 2015 who was trained at the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Labasna, in Mussoorie. Only 8 took the CSE in the Hindi compared to 48 out of 202 in 2013. 5 recruit study at the Hindi medium university and 30 attend Hindi medium schools. Since 2013, there has been a sharp dip not only in candidate taking the CSE in Hindi, but also in the recruit with Hindi medium education background. Before CSET representation, the Hindi medium student was slightly higher. Profile of Labasna recruit between 2005 and 2008 show that the share of candidates who took the CSE mains in Hindi range between 12 to 15%. However, the batch profiles have since been withdrawn from the Labasna website, so no credible data is available.